This is a tutorial video for the CAMP CHAMELON. Let's start with the unfolding. First, unfold the frame of the bike. Next, close the clamp to lock the frame. Place down the side stand for more stability. After that, bring up the handlebar by holding onto the handlebar post and lock it in place. Next, adjust the handlebar angle as well as the height of the handlebar. After that, adjust the height of the seat to your desired height. Finally, remove the pedals from the pedal socket located at the back of the saddle and attach it onto the crank arm. To do this, you have to push down onto the white circle and push it in. Remember to lock it in place by pushing it up and hearing the click. Next, folding. Firstly, adjust the pedal position so that the left pedal faces the front wheel and parallel to the ground. After that, bring down the side stand. Next, detach the pedal from the crank arm by pushing down the white circle and insert it into the pedal socket at the back of the saddle. Repeat for the other side. Next, bring down the handlebar and twist it until the brake lever faces the ground. After that, undo the latch and lower the clamp to fold the handlebar. Bring up the side stand so that it will not intervene with the folding process. Afterwards, press on the knob to unlock the clamp. Finally, fold the frame by holding the wheel until both magnets are attached. In order for the bike to stand, lower the seat post. Let me show you how to transport the bike when folded. Nope, this is not how you should do it. You should push the bike forward by extending the seat post and holding onto the saddle. Don't forget about the special feature of this bike. There is a patented hidden air pump that is integrated into the seat post. Unscrew the cap and loosen the lock ring of the valve. Next, remove the adapter from the pump and tighten it onto the valve. After that, attach the head of the pump onto the valve. Remember to lock it in place. Step onto the latch and start pumping. That is all for the CAMP CHAMELON tutorial. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or check out our website for more details about the CAMP CHAMELON.